Hi, I'm Alex Rodriguez, a product owner here at Cavallo. Today, I'm going to show you how to automate invoicing your orders in Cavallo Distribution Cloud. Let's get started. One of the most common actions my employees have to take each day in my system is creating invoices for the orders we've completed. So what I want to do today is automate that process and set it up so that the workflow will automatically generate those invoices when those sales orders move to the appropriate queue in my workflow. To do that, I'm here at the workflow configuration screen for my order workflow, and I'm going to take a look at my shipping queue. If I look down here in the alternate path section, I'm going to create a new alternate path for this. Specifically, I'm going to create a transfer. In this modal, I'm going to choose that I'm going to be transferring this document to an invoice, and for this transfer, I'm not going to add any conditions because I always want my orders to transfer to an invoice when they go down this path. Here I have some options for what exactly will be invoiced, and I'm just going to have it invoice everything that has already been shipped. From here, I'm going to save my workflow queue, and I'm going to apply my changes. And to see this in action, I'm going to jump over to one of my orders in the shipping queue. This order we can see is in the shipping queue, and taking a look at the lines, I can see that it's already been fully shipped. So from here, I'll just have to press the Workflow Submit button, and I see that my order was generated. And that's how you automate invoicing in Cavallo Distribution Cloud. If you have any questions, please feel free to enter them in the comments section down below, and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel if you'd like to see any more tips and tricks. Thanks!